Hey guys, check out these tool bags made by Elda. They're made of a canvas material, kinda, and they have a mesh front for labeling and putting other items in. They're really durable, and they have a hook to hang on. So, and you can see I have, and they're really durable. I have chisels in these. They're really durable. I have wrenches in these, so I don't need to take it out. You can see right through the mesh what's inside. And like I said, you have hooks to hang them on. There's black, brown, and it also has a beige one. I'm using that one already. Another piece. 5 in the set. Made by Elda. Really nice bags.